Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Land Rover Freelander. So from any screen, you can either go to home menu, you see there, please connect phone, or click on the phone button there. When you click on the phone button, it shows if there's nothing connected or nothing paired at the moment to it and using it, then it shows you the phones that can be paired, that are in its memory. And as you see there, Barry's iPhone 12, and there's just delete next to it. Delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro. Yes, gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2013 Land Rover Freelander. First of all, we make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so. We also make sure you can see it in that camera. So Bluetooth's on. We're watching out at the bottom. Over here, you can either click on telephone there, and it comes up straight. There's nothing in at the moment, so it's coming up search new. Or also on the home menu, you'll see there, please pair phone. Same thing, search for new. Vehicle to device is easier. It saves you a few key presses. It generates a random code rather than you having to put a code in your phone and then put it into the system in the Land Rover. So sometimes it takes a while because I've actually just deleted this phone off this system, so it takes longer than it normally would. It's thinking to itself, oh, I'll make this idiot wait, he's only just deleted it. There you go, it's come up. So search new, Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, click on that. It's generated a random pin code 9018. We'll just wait for there we go, the keypad's come up on here now. 9018. Pair. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow. Let's see, where's it gone? I've got that many things paired. We've got Land Rover not connected there, but it's connecting to Barry's iPhone 12. We'll just watch out for that one. I think that's the one. Land Rover connected, that's it. Phone connected, and my watch just buzzed to tell me that's connected too, so that's good. So that's how you do that. Great thing with this system is if you go to your music, and we'll turn that down actually. So at the bottom here you see Land Rover. Just click on the three circles and the triangle. You see iPhone and Land Rover. There's a tick next to Land Rover. That means any music, any audio that's playing on your phone, whether it be, crikey, I can't remember what it's called, Spotify, Amazon Prime, iTunes, or even the soundtrack of a YouTube video. If that's ticked and you've got this set right, the audio will play through the system, and it's Meridian speakers. It's particularly good, the sound in here as well. So over here you've got audio video. Click on audio video, that takes you to the menu. Now you see there it's on radio, and there's just my music there, and you know it's not immediately obvious, but what you have to do is click my music, and now a plus comes up next to it, and you'll see there actually if I click the plus, my iPhone is already selected. But if it wasn't, if it was auxiliary, we'll just go back there. It must have timed out then. Auxiliary, so auxiliary selected. So that's on auxiliary. So if we go to something else, you're on my video, you come to it, you want to play audio, saying please insert disc there. So there's no plus next to my music. You click on there, shows the plus, you click on the plus, and then you click on your phone. That's it. Now if I turn that up and then quickly turn this up, there you go, that's it playing through the system. And as I say, it's Meridian speakers in this vehicle as well. If you go to settings and into audio settings, you've got their stereo, Meridian, Dolby Pro Logic and Dolby Digital, and here you've got your subwoofer controls, bass and treble, and you can then go to balance and fade, and you can select, you can get it perfect for the driver and forget everybody else. That's how you do that. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2013 Land Rover Freelander. From any screen over to nav, the nav button. Now, if I was doing that for the first time, it would ask you to accept the well, actually, let me just turn that off. Start the car again. So we want the easiest way to put a destination in, of course, if you go to home menu, you've already got a quick destination entry button there, so you can go straight to it. But if not, onto nav, and there you go. You have to agree that it's not going to cause any distraction. That's just showing that it's recognised my phone. So you've got to agree there, agree. And then destination entry. Postcode's easiest. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Waltneydale, Preston, PR. Now it's defaulted to numbers, which not everyone does. 5, 4, and a lot of systems, if there's only 2 digits in the postcode, you have to put a space in the middle, but the Land Rover one you don't. So we're PR5 4J, and we want S, and then PR5 4JS. That's it. So we click OK, and then we click Go. Destination's been set, PR5 4JS, and it's just calculating it. That's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching.